So you have changed your account location, and now you want to change it back to the original one. So as you can see, contact Roblox support to change your. Now you cannot change it, so you need to contact Roblox account for that. So don't worry, I'm here to help you, right? So first you need to go down and tap this help button, and then tap this first option. Now see all 16 articles, and then account location. All right, so and then you need more help, contact support here. Now you will ask to type your username, your email id, confirm email id, and the device. So I'm Windows PC. You may be on Mac, Chromebook. It works for every device. All right, so not only Windows, it works for every device. So tapped it, and it's how to so in the description, tap this. All right, hi there, I accidentally changed my account location, and now I can't change it back to my actual location in Canada. So right, this you do change it to your desired location. I want to change it to Canada, but in your case it might be a different location, so please keep this in mind, and then please help me fix this problem, thank you. So you type this, and you don't exactly type what I'm typing right now. You should change a bit, like you should write this on your own words, but this location stuff you should mention. All right, not Canada. If you want to change it to a different place, or for example if you want to change to Germany, then you type Germany instead of Canada, right? So after completing everything, press the continue button, and hopefully it's a 50-50 chance that your location will be changed to your desired location. So yeah, that's how you change Roblox account location if you change it accidentally.